Let's talk about how much do you spend on this project. This project might be super simple. It might be a hot tub that you're going to add to the backyard, or maybe it's going to be a kitchen, or maybe it's going to be a full remodel. Doesn't matter. At some point here, you're going to have to make a decision about how much you're going to spend. It's a Goldilocks question. And by that, I mean, it's got to be just right. And what just right is going to vary from person to person. So you've got to figure out what this is for you personally. And a lot of things are going to factor into that. So let's talk about what some of those things are. So I often ask clients to work this backward. And here's what I mean by that. Go out and do research. So if you're going to do a kitchen, redo a kitchen, go do some research. What's the range of costs on appliances? How much is it generally going to cost to get this kitchen done? How fancy do you want it to be? How practical do you want it to be? All of these things are part of your information gathering process so that you can start to get a range. Okay, I could spend $5,000 on this kitchen. I could spend $100,000. I could spend $200,000 on this kitchen. And now you have some range. And now you need to figure out, okay, what's just right for me? Now there's some things that are going to factor into this. So for instance, in the next video, I'm going to talk about how you pay for this. Is it going to come out of savings? Are you going to borrow? Or are you going to put it on the HELOC? There's also questions, and I'll do this in the last video, about, okay, how is this expenditure going to impact my long-term finances? And so I'll talk about that too. And you want to gather all that information as well. And then once you have all that in front of you, you have a much better sense. Okay, I can spend $10,000 on this kitchen and feel really good about that, and that would be just right for me. Or it's $20,000 or $100,000, whatever it might be. The number itself doesn't actually matter. What matters the most is what's going to make you feel best at the end of the day. Not only in the final product, but in how much you spent that makes you feel good about your financial well-being. So there's lots of things that are going to factor into how much do I spend? And maybe you put it off for a year if you want to spend more so that you have more time to save. Or maybe you're just going to go ahead and make that expenditure now and you're going to manage the debt on this particular expense. So those are my thoughts, and this is how I have clients think about it. Work it backwards, start to get clear about what feels good for you, and keep in mind that what should get spent should be a Goldilocks question for you. It's got to feel just right. I'm Jessica Lanning. My firm is Lanning Financial. And if you'd like to have a conversation about any of this, please go visit my website at lanningfinancial.com and click on the button to see if we're a good fit, and we will talk soon.